Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wash and wax shampoo. Is it a good product or is it a bit of a gimmick? Keep watching this video to find out my honest opinion on the Meguiar's hybrid shampoo. Hi everybody, it's Aidan from Just Car Care, and today we're looking at the Meguiar's hybrid ceramic wash and wax shampoo. Now there's a lot of ceramic shampoos on the market. Now the reason that I'm testing this product and have actually looked into this product is because of the two different containers. Now the wash and wax shampoo is on one side, but the SiO2 base is on the other. Now is that a gimmick or is it actually something that should be used throughout the industry? Now, Meguiar's have a variety of shampoos in their detailing range, but this one really stands out. They've got two components, shampoo and SiO2, but actually package them together but completely separately. Now, Meguiar's actually states that it gently washes the car while adding a layer of protection and extreme water beading, which we have to agree with, but there are some drawbacks. So, we completely agree with Meguiar's. This gives you a fantastic layer of protection right at the wash stage. Now, the product is separated into a great dilution ratio, 90 millilitres of shampoo and 15 millilitres of SiO2 into a bucket, making it very easy to understand. Now, the product itself is wax, sealant and ceramic coating friendly, giving you a super slick finish straight from the wash stage. Now with this product, as humans, we will always try to use more to get better results, and that is not the case with this product. If you use more SiO2 than needed, you're going to run out of SiO2 and you're left with a normal shampoo that you've paid a ceramic price for, which to us is just a waste of money. As well, you have to mix the two elements together, which is a step that is unnecessary. Personally, I prefer it all together. It would make it so much easier. Is this product actually worth buying? Now, if you're like me and prefer simplicity, I'd recommend buying a ceramic shampoo, not one that you have to mix. But if you can refrain from using too much SiO2, then yeah, the product's great. It does what it says in the tin, it gives a layer of protection, it's easy to use, and also you're going to get extreme water behavior. So generally, the product is fantastic, but if you don't want to mix it, just get yourself a normal ceramic shampoo. Now, if you don't want to take my word for it, you can buy this product in store and online at justcarcare.co.uk, as well as a variety of other car shampoos. If you've used this product before, let us know in the comment section what you think about it. As well, if you like this style of video, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you all in the next video.